Hello guys, in today's video I want to let you know that I'm gonna go ahead and be doing some short vlogs for those who want to become appliance repair tech. That way they know how is a regular day for appliance repair tech. So let me know if you guys want me to keep doing this type of videos, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do at least one per day. Today I'm in my way to check and do a diagnostic on a dryer. This is I believe it's an LG dryer, and it's giving a error code, and I'm gonna go ahead and find out what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple footage of what I'm working on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description of this video. That way you guys can click on it if you guys want to know about this repair that we are doing today. And let me know if you guys want me to keep making this type of videos for you guys. That way you guys can see how is a regular day for appliance repair tech. So let me know down in the comments, and then if I receive positive feedback on this video, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do at least one per day, or at least one every 2 days, depends on how busy I am. So go ahead and click on the link down below if you want to learn how to repair this error code for this dryer. Also, I want to let you know that in this type of videos I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys tips, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you some stories of the my daily basis, what happened, like in each call, other things that we can run into when we talk about a customer or the actual repair. Like right now, I just went and pick up the part to my part supplier, and the first thing that I do every time I'm gonna pick up a part is go ahead and check if it's not being used, because I have a bad experience a couple times where, like right now, I'm picking up a computer board. I cannot take a chance taking a used part or somebody that returns the part, because it's one thing, in a way it's good that these companies don't give you a lot of trouble to return a part, but sometimes they don't check the parts if the part is being used or somebody's returning a used part. So what they do is they will just tape the box again, sometimes not even that, and then they will just resell it. So you need to verify if the part that you are replacing is new or not, because if it's a used part is the reason why somebody's returning it. And another thing, that if you pick up a part in your part supplier, if the part is used and you end up not using the part, and if they do check it when you try to return it, you're gonna have trouble returning the part, because they're not gonna take a part where you can see the marks that terminals are being installed on the main computer board. Now, in some parts where, you know, there's no electronics components on it, you know, it's no big deal, like a washer ring and things like that. They are mechanical, not electronic. Either way, I always check everything before I get out of my part suppliers. Well, every time I can, because like right now in this scenario, I call the part suppliers, and since, you know, all the pandemic was, you know, going on, they are closing at 4 o'clock, and this call that I'm doing today is kind of late. So I have no choice. I still check the part, and if the part look like it's being used, I just leave it right there outside. They probably have a camera and verify that I never took the part with me and I never took it to the truck or anything like that. So that is a tip that I'm telling you guys. Go ahead and check your parts before you take them out of the part supplier store, because you can run in some situations afterwards. You end up replacing a used part or a part that is broken, and you know you're gonna end up losing your day, losing money, and you're probably gonna have a pissed off customer, and nobody wants that. So this is gonna be the purpose of all this vlogging that I want to do in a regular daily basis. And like I said, let me know, guys, if you guys like this type of content, and I will be making more video for you guys. So right now we're still on the way to this call. This call was about an hour away. I usually don't go that far, but I used to have my office in another location around this area, and I don't know where they saw that I probably still around that area, and they give me a call. And sometimes when I get a call from an old customer, or from people that, you know, saw my ad on Google or something like that, it's hard to say no, you know. Not only because sometimes, you know, maybe it's not that busy and you need to do that call, but because if you in the appliance repair business, because you enjoy doing it, you know what I'm talking about. Because I like to help people. I like to have the feeling that people is happy because their appliances are back alive. Like sometimes I go to people's houses and people are already trying to shop around for new appliances when maybe they can afford it, or when they don't have the time to do it. And it's a big relief when I show up and for a service call fee, I let them know, you know, yeah, it can be repaired for this amount of money, and they don't have to, you know, go to the store or go somewhere or try to get money when they don't have enough money to buy a new appliances. So it feels good. And also it feels good once you see something that is broken and you found out what was wrong with it, and then you get it back to work. It's a really good feeling. And whoever is in this business know what I'm talking about. It's not all about the money. Money is very important, and you can make a lot of money doing appliance repair, but you know, when you do it because you love what you're doing, it's a different story. So like I said, I'm in Tampa. Here we go, guys, downtown Tampa. Okay, guys, this is a new update on the dryer HE air code. I installed a new main control board and a new thermistor that goes in the housing. This was a very easy repair. You can see some footage right here and how to repair this issue with HE air code. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description of this video, that way you guys can go and click it and see how I replace this board.